This is Grado, the northmost inhabited island of the Adriatic Sea. In the latest years, we've put a lot of attention to energy, and that's because as an island which welcomes tens of thousands of guests each summer, we have a peculiar energy requirement profile, like most touristic islands. Energy consumption tied to air conditioning multiplied by the number of guests and inhabitants naturally goes in parallel with the idea of investing into photovoltaic, because of seasonal profile of energy demand and production almost peak at the same time in summer. But if we look at the finer grain of these curves, we notice there is an offset because PV panels only produce during the daytime, while AC, for example, runs the whole day long, especially during nighttime. So we are investing not only in photovoltaic plants, but into hybrid schemes which foresee a consistent usage of energy storage systems. Furthermore, we're involved in the first line in a European project called VPP4ISLANDS under the Horizon 2020 program, which aims to facilitate the implementation of virtual power plants and, more broadly, of energy communities. This will be a double return on the investment because we will not only be able to harvest solar energy from the photovoltaic panels, but also make available that same energy during the nighttime to the people living on the island. That also has the benefit of avoiding the energy transfer loss, which occurs when we retrieve energy from the grid.
While technically we are not an off-grid island, we want to be as independent as possible in generating the energy we need. The first real project we planned will act as a catalyst for the first virtual energy community in our region, and that would go straightly under the RED II directive adopted in Italy just a few months ago. And we are already working on a production and storage hub which will act as a pivotal point for starting an energy community. This project was designed with the specific energy needs of this island in mind, but could be replicated on any other island.
We're balancing PV plants with large energy storage systems, because what we think is in fact that initially individuals and companies will start contributing with their PV production, which is good, but which also will increase the imbalance between the daytime production and the nighttime demand. What we are doing to start an energy community is therefore not only installing a traditional PV plant, but also providing a centralized public energy storage system, which will be progressively implemented with satellite energy storage systems geographically distributed across the island. To sum up, we foresee there will be an incremental expansion of the original energy community, both in terms of PV production and in terms of distributed energy storage systems.